All right, we have Fisher Space Pen. This thing is brass, bullet with a clip. Open it up and see what we got. Model 400 GGCL. Boom. This thing looks awesome. Feels awesome. And it's awesome. All right, let's do the review on the Fisher Space Pen. I keep this beside me along with this metal clipboard. This pen is amazing. Just went outside and wrote on a wet 2x4. I'll show that in the video here. Okay, we're outside. It just rained. Look at this. Look at this wet piece of wood. Wow, it's amazing. It's just amazing. I mean, I can't explain how neat this pen is. If you want to get a gift for a guy, this is the best gift. This thing writes underwater, it writes upside down. It's just so awesome. So if you want to get your guy husband, if he's a lawyer, a doctor, construction worker, just anything, just anybody that needs a pen or just wants to write notes beside them like this, get them this pen. This is amazing. Okay. If you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe. It's free. So yeah, check it out. I think this one was 36 bucks. I'll try to put it somewhere down here. Yeah, amazing. Look how good it writes.